Good morning, 7th and 8th graders. Mr. Brennan here. Just going to go through with you what we're going to have you do for your Real World Wednesday. We are going to have you be some researchers, and we're going to let you pick an article of something new and recent that is science in the news. So we've filled out this form before. You're going to put your title. You're going to put what website you used. What is the main point? What evidence or data was used to support this main point? Data, think of numbers with that. And then write a 3 to 5 sentence paragraph summarizing the article. Where are you going to get your articles from? I've given you 3 different links to 3 different websites where you get to pick any article that interests you. So for instance, if we click on Science in the News for Students, it comes up to this website. If you want to learn about DNA and so on, you can do that as well too. There's a search box up here, so if there's a specific topic that you would like to research more on, you can certainly do that. Let's just say you want to learn more about cats. Okay, and then what this will do is this will pull up all the previous articles that talk about cats, and you can certainly research that for science in the news. What does that other website look like? Science Daily Tops. Here's just some top headlines. You can choose these. Once again, there's that search button that you can use to go through. It'll just pull them up and give you the article right there. Okay. The website, once again, is just right out the address bar. Let's take a look at that third website just so we all get to see what that one looks like. And once again, you can see we're going to stay in the science tab, but these are all recent articles about something scientific related that we're going to have you read and create a summary on. So you can choose any of those. It's kind of your pick on this one. Whatever interests you, you certainly go ahead and choose that. So once again, you choose one of these 3 websites to find an article, read it, put the title of the article in the green box. What website did you use? What was the website of that article? You can just literally copy and paste it in there. What is the main point? What is the author trying to tell us? What evidence or data was used to support the article's point? What numbers, what facts and figures did they use to help support this main point? And then 3 to 5 sentence summary of your article. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.